It has been an exciting year for the Sanlam Group again, 2018. In June we had a centenary, and we in the whole year, in fact, centenary celebration. So it's a very, very special year for Sanlam, 100 years in operation. Of course, there are things that we can do a bit better. We've announced some of those in the results. But overall, another very, very solid, satisfactory set of results from the Sanlam Group. There are highlights, and there are things that I won't call them lowlights, but things we could have done better. Now, when one looks through the clusters, Santam had an outstanding result, and clearly, you know, the achievement that they've done in the environment was really, really very credible. Sanlam Emerging Markets also increased its earnings over 20%, which is good. Sanlam Personal Finance did well. The value of new business was strongly up, but in profitability terms, they were impacted, of course, by the poor investment markets. And looking at the investment markets and the difficulties and the volatilities that we've had in the 6 months, that's also impacted negatively on the investments business. Sanlam Corporate Cluster again did very well. So overall, the diversification of the group has helped us in very, very challenging circumstances for the first 6 months. You will know that in March we announced the third phase of our acquisition of Saham, which is for 53% of the group, and that came at a cost of just over $1 billion, which we have funded. And we've been in a process for some months now to try and get the necessary regulatory approvals for that, and there's also a condition that requires some restructuring within the Saham Group. We're making solid progress there. We have approvals from the regulators in a number of the countries, but not all, and that is the information that we've shared with the market today. In November of this year, we celebrate 20 years listing on the JSE. So we demutualized in 1998, and now we've had 20 years as a listed company. And that has really transformed the business. I mean, the progress that we've achieved over the last 20 years has been fantastic. We listed at 6 Rand. We're now over 80 Rands per share, so there's been significant value creation. The business is much, much larger today, of course, and it's much more diverse and much more successful as a business. When I presented the results today, one of the things that we focused hard on was the opportunity we have to build a really strong Pan-African business. It's a unique opportunity. But one must remember that in tough times, it's tough for everybody. And Sanlam, because it's a stronger business, tends to do better in tough times, which is what happened in 2016 and 2017. And I've got every confidence as the chief executive that people will keep their heads down, they will adapt to the challenges, they will look for the opportunities, and we'll focus, of course, on our clients and our other stakeholders. And we'll deliver an even better performance in the second half of the year.